You know, many of us have a lot of tech. You've got your smartphone, a tablet, you might have a laptop and a desktop, and possibly more. We have work files and personal stuff, and sometimes we need access to our files from a completely different device. The question is, what is the best way for us to store and access our information? Fear not, we can have all of our stuff with us all of the time. We can share, get access, no more sync headaches. The future is here, the cloud. There are a lot of cloud services that you can pay for, but today I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can get cloud storage for free. It's common sense if you already have an iPhone or other Apple device that the iCloud storage is worth exploring for you. If you're a student or a teacher, you've got 200 gigabytes and you'll likely be all set for storage. If you're a big Google Services user, use Google Drive. Microsoft lover? OneDrive is your jam. For ease of use and the basics, we would recommend Dropbox. Even if you have the other services, have a Dropbox account as well. You get 2 gigs free with Dropbox, and if you just have documents and files, this will suit you just fine. As with most services, they have more elaborate paid plans with 1 terabyte for about $10 a month. It's also super easy to share files too big to email. It's as simple as following the prompts. Whether you're iOS or Android, we strongly recommend Google Photos. Google Photos will back up your photos for free. On Android, you can have your photos automatically back up over the Wi-Fi, then delete photos on your device to your heart's content without even breaking a sweat. On iOS, you have to empty your trash in your Photos app after backing up, so there's an extra step. Speaking of Google, we'd also recommend Google Drive for the file storage as well. Why not just Dropbox? One word: collaboration! There isn't a more seamless way to share documents and edit them than on Google Drive. Whether it's a grocery list, spreadsheet, or a presentation, it's simple to send a link to the document to anyone. They can edit online, and you can see the edits in near real time. The actual Google Suite isn't as robust as Office, but for the nuts and bolts type stuff, it's just fine, and it's free as well. If you do want to store files in the cloud and access them yourself, and you really do want to keep your money, check out a service called Mega. You get 50 gig of storage for free. It's basic, nothing fancy, but again, 50 gig of storage for free. The best solution? Mix and match. You should definitely get a Dropbox account and a Google Drive account. If you have some big files that you need access to, get a Mega account as well. It's a good idea to back up anything really important to a physical hard drive as well. You definitely don't have to break the bank to get your spot on the cloud. Keep your files available, backed up, and safe. Where's Marcia?